What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a ParentPay account. So of course, head over to ParentPay's website and just start by clicking on Inquire Today. So from here, all you have to do is just fill in all the necessary information such as organization details and inquiry details. Then once done, just click on Next Step. From here, you might be asked to describe any additional products and services you're interested in, and also the challenges for your school that they can help you with. Example, improving attendance, saving money on admin, achieving outstanding status. But this step is optional. Just click on Next. So next, you need to fill up the required fields such as who is your current payments provider, current caterer, parent communication provider, and current reporting system provider. Then once done, just click on next step. Then from here, just fill in the fields of your first name, last name, and email. Job title and contact number is optional. Then just make sure that you check the box that you agree to allow ParentPay Group to store and process personal data. Then once done, just click on submit form. So from there, all you have to do is just wait for your account to be verified. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!